Hey guys, today let's learn how to add voiceover to a video on Canva. So if you'd like to go ahead and add some voiceovers over onto your specific videos on Canva, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Canva application on our devices, and once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and have your voiceover file ready. Now that is because you can't necessarily add a voiceover directly onto your Canva video while you're editing it over on Canva, and what we need to do is to just add the necessary files onto the upload files option and add it directly to the timeline of our video. So in this case I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to go on over and tap on this video option, and let's just choose a sample video. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I think I'm going to go ahead and just choose this template right here, and I'm going to go ahead and proceed now. And now from here I would like to go ahead and choose this option to access the options to basically see the options to add some files. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this plus icon right here, and we should see this option to add files. So I'm going to go ahead and locate the option to access my files. I'm going to tap on upload over here, and I'm going to go on over to the audio section. Now, as you've seen, I've already uploaded a sample voiceover right here, but you could also easily go ahead and just tap on upload files, tap on choose files, and then choose from your recent files that you have. In this case, I do have a few recent recordings that I have already on my files, and if you want to have the same setup as mine and locate these recording files right here, of course you need to go ahead and launch the recording or voice memos application. Go ahead and just do a quick recording of your voiceover as you speak over onto the Canva video that you're trying to edit, and once you're done, just tap on this three dots button, tap on share, and then I want you to share this over onto your files app, or you could easily go ahead and directly share it onto Canva. So you have two options. The first one is to share it or save it to files. The second one is just go ahead and send it directly to Canva. A much more easier option, since tapping on this Canva application will give you some problems and bugs, is to go ahead and tap on save to files and save this over on your preferred location. Next we want to go on over and hop onto Canva, and you should see that file over on the same location that you are trying to look that for. So go ahead and just tap on that preferred file and tap on open. Now wait for it to load and import the file over on your timeline on Canva. I'm going to do that right now, and as you see, the video is now playing, and once I play this all the way through, it will play the video as the audio is also playing. So that is how you guys could easily go ahead and add a voiceover over on your Canva video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.